A computer mouse is an input pointing device. It is used to move, select, and open items on your screen. By sliding the mouse across a surface, you shift the on-screen pointer. Rollover or hover involves moving the mouse pointer over an object without clicking. This action is often used to reveal tooltips or menus. Point and click is moving the pointer to a specific location. Then, pressing the button to select or interact with on-screen elements. Drag and drop starts clicking an object and holding down the mouse button to grab it. The file moves along with your mouse pointer, allowing you to shift its location. Drag and drop starts clicking an object and holding down the mouse button, releasing the button, drops it into place. Moves along with your mouse pointer, perfect for organizing files. Drag clicking means rapidly tapping the button twice, holding down the mouse succession to open files or launch applications. Master these basics to navigate easily.